it is like Halloween heaven in here. Do not pay full price for Halloween stuff unless you just want it like brought to your door, because I buy a lot of my Halloween stuff on Amazon. But you guys, Dollar Tree is lit. Let us get a cart. I have a Ross bag because I just did a Ross video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link down below. Oh my god, I'm about to buy so much stuff. I can't, like, is this stuff all really $1? This is just too good. Skull Fence, $1. I mean, wait, is this whole pack $1? No, they're each $1, so you'd need to buy quite a few of those. But how cute are these baskets? And I think I'm gonna get some of those and film like a Halloween treats video. Oh, oven mitt. Cute, cute. This stuff is so cute. Oh my god, little ice cube trays. If I can find any of these stuff online, I don't know if Dollar Tree sells stuff on their website. I will leave a link to it down below. Oh my gosh, too cute. Erasers. This stuff is just adorable. Stickers. And I guess this is like something you would put on like your wall or outside your house. Really cute. Little bags, purple, which is my favorite color. Traditional Halloween orange. Then they have things that you can like put on doors. I mean, I don't know. You guys have to let me know in the comments down below. Are your dollar stores this good? Because I'm not really near where I live. I'm about, I don't know if I told you guys in the intro, I'm about 2 hours outside of LA, but the dollar stores in LA are not this good. Well, no, that's not true. One of them is. I guess you just have to kind of search around. Ooh, they even have little costumes. Here's a pirate hat. I think this is a ninja mask. I think I bought these in the past. Anything that's glittered, you guys know I love it, and it lights up. Totally getting that. It's only $1. I'm gonna spend so much money in here. Let me actually put my cart down so I can grab a couple of these pumpkins because it's just too cute. And it says it lights up. Let's try to turn it on. Let's see, don't break my nail. Oh, it's not lighting up. I think that one, oh, you have to put your own, oh, you have to pull this tab off and it'll work. But I'm sure my boyfriend will think these are tacky, but I don't care. I'm gonna get a couple and I can put one in my office at work. I think they're super cute. Come with me, friends. You're glittertastic and I love you. I want to show you, they have these little owls. Everything that has glitter on it. A purple glitter owl. Too adorable. But they also have little girls outfits or whatever. You can make your own outfit. I'm thinking of doing a Halloween costume video from the dollar store. They have the fairy wings or butterfly wings, Rapunzel wigs or ponytail wigs. They have wigs, they have hats. I mean, Dollar Tree is just doing the most and I'm all about it. If you need candy, listen friends, the dollar store has it. Please let me know. I'm really curious. Oh my god, more glitter pumpkins. These are kind of peeling. I don't know if you can see that. So I never expect this stuff to last longer than a year, so that's something you have to keep in mind. Why do they have Christmas stuff out? Is that what we're doing? Like, we're already preparing for Christmas? I'm filming this September 9th. What's going on? It's September. It is September. Stop it. That is so unnecessary. Now, I may have spoke too soon because I was saying that this dollar store is better than the one in LA. The one in LA actually had like prosthetic legs and things, so they don't have that here. So it's basically this aisle here. Oh, just when I said that, they have some hands. But the other one I went to had like hearts and stuff. I think I'm going to film there too. So then they have this area, this aisle here, and then this aisle here. And then everything else is like Christmas, which is weird, and then fall. I'm like, seriously, why is this Christmas stuff out here? I don't understand. I've never seen Christmas stuff this early in my life. I just think it's kind of rude to do this to Halloween and Thanksgiving. Like, this is just disrespectful. I'm joking, but I'm kind of being serious. This is just like... All right, friends, I am back from the dollar store, and I have bags on bags full of stuff. This is Ross because I went to Ross before the dollar store, and then the lady was like, do you just want me to put your stuff in there? So this is all full of Halloween stuff. If you guys want to see a haul, Can you let me know? I don't know if you guys want to see that. Do you want to see everything I bought? I'm going to use everything I bought in videos, like filming like Halloween treat videos, Halloween fun gift videos. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but if you guys want to see everything I bought in a haul, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me update you on some products. First up, this is one of the products I featured in my Australian drugstore haul. If you're new around here, I went to Australia for 7 days. If you haven't seen the vlogs, those are over on my second channel. I'll leave a link down below, but I also filmed a drugstore haul. So this is from BYS. A lot of you educated me that you have found BYS and the brand W7 here in the States. That is news to me. I was really shocked when I saw some comments saying that because I've never seen either of these. Some of you were saying you've seen it in like TJ Maxx. We all know I love a TJ Maxx. I've filmed there many times. I filmed these videos like Come Shop With Me, TJ Maxx, Ross. I've never seen any of these brands. I'll leave a link to that playlist down below. If you love discount makeup, you'll love those videos. So anyways, apparently you can get this in the States. I have been using the Cosmic eyeshadow palette. I think I told you guys that I would show like a makeup tutorial using this. I have it on my eyes now. I have on the shade Milky Way and the shade Comet. But the reason I'm frowning is because I really don't, if I'm being 100% honest, I don't really like filming makeup tutorials. I'm not a makeup artist, so I feel like I just kind of teach myself how to use makeup and play with it and have fun. And I don't really like watching makeup tutorials anymore. It's very weird. When I first started watching videos on YouTube, that's all I used to watch. I think the first person I discovered, because I was Googling like smoky eye, because I had a date years ago. And so I wanted to know how to do a smoky eye, and Jaclyn Hill's, like, I think it was one of her first couple videos came up. And then I just was like only watching makeup tutorials for a year or two. But then I started discovering beauty reviews and Come Shop With Me videos. So anyways, long story short, I feel like makeup tutorials are kind of like my least favorite videos to film, like, or trying new products. Maybe I should call it that, but I just don't like watching those, and it kind of bores me to film them. So I feel bad because I know I told you guys, oh, I'll show you how this works in like a tutorial or a get ready with me, but I don't really like filming those. If you guys really want to see it, I guess I can, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down below. I think maybe I just need to put like a different spin on it or something. But I've been using this palette for a week now. I do like it. It's very affordable. I'll leave a link to it down below. It's under 10 bucks and I've been enjoying it. And it's magnetic. It'll stick to things, which is kind of random. Like it was sticking to this. Look. It's sticking to the Il Maquillage palette. So I'll keep using it, but first impressions after a week of use, I've been enjoying it. Some more products I got from Australia. Now, this one is the brand W7. This is their Catwalk Concealer, you guys. It's a nice concealer. I have it on now. I'd say it's medium coverage. It smells like Elmer's glue. Like that smell just smells caustic. It just smells like a chemical. I don't like the way it smells. I like the coverage. I don't know if I can use that. It just smells very chemically. I don't like it. Now this brand, I think you can only get in Australia, I think. This is Australia's, so I've never seen this in the States, but who knows. This is their eyeliner. I have this on now. This is just okay. I mean, it's $2. It was $2 Australian dollars, which means it's even cheaper in the US. It works. It's black. It's a little crumbly. But it works and it stays on all day, and it's like $1.50 or $1.25. So if I can find all that stuff online, I'll leave a link down below. Next up, Revlon sent me a really pretty PR package of their Shoot the Moon collection. I have that on my Instagram. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave a link down below. But in the collection was this lip gloss. I have it on now. I love it. So many, like, at the collection, obviously, Shoot the Moon is based on like the stars, the universe. So this is their Super Lustrous Lip Lacquer, and this is in the shade 108 Cosmic Queen. Look at how pretty that is, and it is very buildable. I put a very light coat on because it will get this pigmented and really bright really quickly, which I don't know if I wanted to do that with this eye look, but I love this. It's very comfortable, pigmented, moisturizing. I really like this. I'll leave a link down below, and I love the packaging on this collection. It has stars and moons all, well, has one moon, a shooting star, and stars all in the lid. I've really been enjoying that.
Now this little device, can you hear? It vibrates. So this is the Foreo, I don't know the full name, I'll leave a link down below. This came in one of my little kits. I think it was the Sephora Favorites Skincare Holiday Kit. You know how they release those? That's coming up soon. There'll be a video on that. They release those every holiday season, and this came in that kit. And you're supposed to use this as you wash your face, and it'll pulsate and help clean your skin. This does nothing for my skin. It's all silicone with these little bristles on the front. And this is one of the mini versions that came in the kit. And then if you want the full size one, these are very expensive. I think they're 200, 300 bucks. I don't know. I just didn't notice that it did anything for my skin. And you hear it vibrates. It feels nice. I like the way it feels. But if any of you noticed a major difference in your skin, can you let me know? I think it's supposed to help clean your skin, help with skin's texture, radiance, all that stuff. And then you just move it around the face. And for this mini one, you get 200 uses. But I didn't notice any huge difference. And that was almost a year ago. So let me know your thoughts down below. You guys know I really love my Nest diffuser. I've shown you guys that, the Ocean Reed diffuser. I'll leave a link to it down below. I love it. It smells up my whole bedroom. It's amazing, and it's like 5 ounces. So this is also from Nest. This is their Cocoa Woods perfume. This, I've been wearing it for about a week now. This has a masculine scent, but it's a very floral note. Let me read online how they describe it. Like, I asked my boyfriend to smell it. I was like, does this smell like a man's cologne to you? He's like, it has like a masculine tone. It's very warm, but there's a light floral note. So they describe it as, fragrance description. The essence of bittersweet cocoa is wrapped in sequoia wood, like a woody smell, with white sandalwood and blended with exotic hints of tiare, I think, blossom, and Thai ginger. So notes, bittersweet cocoa, sequoia wood, white sandalwood. And this shade is called Cocoa Wood. So it's like a woody scent with a hint of floral. I really like it. And then I love the packaging. Let me see if you guys can see this. So it's clear liquid, but then on the back, it has flowers. Let's see. Come on, camera. Can you focus here? Can you do it? There we go. So you see that? It has like the clear perfume, but then on the back, there's, maybe that's the tiara blossom or the white sandalwood. I don't know. I like the way it smells. And I feel like it could be unisex for men or women. Il Maquillage. I told you guys I would update you on this palette. This is their Color Boss Pro Palette, 12 eye colors. If you want to see these in action, I did film a makeup look with this. I'll leave a link to that video down below. I really like this palette. The pan size on these eyeshadows are huge. The pigmentation is amazing. Let's swatch the blue shade. That was a light swatch. Look at it on my finger. Okay, let us swatch it here on my hand. Brace yourself. Oh my God, it's just so gorgeous. I love this palette. I will leave a link to it down below. Let's lightly swatch the green shade. If you want to see it in action, again, I'll leave a link to that video down below. I'm lightly pressing. Look at that. This is not an affordable palette. It's a little pricey, but in my opinion, it's worth it. And I don't know why more people aren't talking about it. Very, very well done. Next up, this is the Jennifer Lopez Inglot collaboration. You guys already know I like this. I told you I love the eyeliner. This is in the shade Midnight. It's a jet black, like it says, midnight eyeliner. Goes on easy, long wearing. You do need to move a little quickly because it kind of dries down fast and it's very creamy. So you just have to be careful with it. And then I love this this mascara. It reminds me of the L'Oreal Telescopic because it is a very long, thin wand. So if you want to really focus on elongating your lashes, it's, oh, here comes Coco. Hello. What's the matter? You want to get up here? You never want to get up here. Come over here. This way, this way. Ugh. Whenever he wants to get up, he'll come over and whine. Did you want to say hi to the people? Did you guys know that Coco did a video, I think a couple months ago? If you've never seen that and you need a good laugh, it's like a 3-minute video. I'll leave a link down below, but Coco did a video, didn't you? Didn't you do a video? Did you do a video? He's like, bitch. Do not like these lights on me. Next up, Avon. You guys know recently I've been using their Avon Glimmer sticks, their eyeliners. This is not food. Their eyeliners, I really like those eyeliners. I'll leave a link to them down below, but Avon was nice enough to send me their Lip Glow lip glosses. So we have the shade, this pink shade is called Socialite. This shade, it's kind of like almost like a taupe, it's not food, taupe mauve color is called Glow Getter. And then this is like a true mauve shade. This shade is called Luster. See, it's not food. So let's try out, I want to try out Socialite. Oh God, how am I going to get this open? I have these claws on, so. This dog, are you hungry? Stop. It's not food. Food is lip gloss. He's trying to give me a kiss. Sometimes he likes to kiss, sometimes he doesn't. Hold on, let me see if I can get this open. There we go. All right. Nope, not open. Here we go. Okay. So first, Coco, do you want to swatch this? He's just like, will you give me that candy? Let's swatch it here. Whoa, that is really pink. That's more pigmented than I thought. That's like bubblegum pink. Let's try it. Maybe that'll look nice on top of this Revlon lip gloss. Ooh, that looks nice. It's very shiny, very glossy, but it feels very thin. Does it have a smell? No, no smell. That's interesting. It's very rare that you see lip products with no smell. That feels nice. And I feel like because I put it in the center, it kind of makes my lips look bigger, which I like. So I will keep you posted on that. What else do we want to review? Next up from Lancome, we have the Rose Sugar Scrub. He thinks this is food also. So this is a gentle exfoliating scrub with sugar grains and rose water. Interesting. Let's see. What is it supposed to do? It says apply a small amount of sugar scrub on clean and wet skin. I actually did a video on a coffee sugar scrub that I make to use like on stretch marks and cellulite that I make like out of my own coffee and stuff. If you want to see that video, I'll leave a link down below. Sugar scrubs are really good for exfoliating your skin. So it says massage gently onto skin for 1 minute. Rinse off thoroughly. So what is this supposed to do? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be exfoliating. It doesn't tell me on here, but let's check online. All right, I'm looking on the website, and as I suspected, it's supposed to exfoliate and plump skin for smooth, even tone. It says the rose sugar scrub is infused with real sugar grains, rose water, and honey. The gentle scrub removes impurities and dead skin cells for a healthy, radiant, rosy glow. Ooh, interesting. Have any of you tried this? It retails for $25. I will give it a try tonight, and I will update you and let you know my thoughts. But you get a pretty good amount for $35 too. You get 3.34 ounces. So, is there anything else I want to tell you about? I think that's it. That's it for me, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you enjoyed having this little guy. I will leave a link. I'll try to remember to leave a link to all the videos I mentioned down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more Halloween videos, if you want to see the haul of everything I bought, let me know in the comments down below. Check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you soon.